are going to do something really cool. We are going to make dragon puppets. Do you like my dragon? He has super hot blue flames. All right, so that's what we're going to do this week for our story time to go is we are going to make a dragon craft, and you can come by the library to pick up your dragon kit and check out a dragon book, and that's going to be really great. So, should we get started? Who are we missing? Otis! So let's wake up Otis. Do you remember? There's only one way in the whole wide world to wake up Otis, and we have to say 1, 2, 3, wake up Otis. You think you can do it? All right. He's kind of grumpy. Let's see how he likes dragons. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Otis! Otis, wake up! Oh no! Whoa! Otis, what happened? I was having this terrible nightmare. You were? Yeah, I was dreaming that I was running because I wanted some gold, and there was this big, terrible, big, green, scaly thing, and it was blowing fire like this, and it was after me and it wanted to eat me. Wow, Otis. Yeah, it sounds like you were having a dream about a dragon. Oh, a dragon. Oh, it was so scary. I was so scared. Well, I'm glad we woke you up then. Yeah, because what? We are going to make, a dragon. No! Wait a minute. Is that what this is? Yes, Otis. Oh, it does look kind of neat. I think I might like this. I think I might want to make this dragon. Oh, good, Otis. I'm glad. Yeah. I like all these stories about these dragons. I just don't like it when they want to eat me. Well, Otis, maybe if you stay awake, you won't have any more dreams about dragons trying to eat you. Oh, okay. That's a good idea. I'll stay awake and I'll make a dragon instead of dreaming about dragons. Sounds like a good idea. So do you know what that means? What? It means you have to stay awake. Oh! But if I stay awake and I don't get any sleep, you know what? What, Otis? I'll be dragon! That was a terrible joke, Otis. I know. That's what made it great. Okay. So does that mean you're going to stay awake? Yeah. All right. Otis promises he's going to stay awake. I will. Do you think he's going to stay awake? I will. I promise. Oh, man. Well, hopefully he will have good dreams about dragons and not bad dreams about dragons. Are we ready to get started with making our dragon? So when you come to the library this week, you're going to pick up a kit. And inside your kit, you are going to get a paper towel roll. Now this one is a homemade paper towel roll, but hopefully you'll get just a regular paper towel roll. And you're going to get tissue paper in a square and in strips. You're also going to get 4 pom-poms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, I dropped my pom-pom. You are also going to get some googly eyes, only 2, a glue stick, and glue dots. So the very first thing we're going to do is take our toilet paper roll, and if you want to make a brown dragon like this one, that's okay. But if you want to make your dragon a little bit more colorful, like Miss Janelle, what I'm going to do is we're going to put some glue on our toilet paper roll here and wrap around our toilet paper roll so that it is a little bit more color to it. Oh, I think I'm going to add a little bit more glue. Ta-da! So now I have a yellow and brown dragon. Now we're going to start with our eyes, because our dragon needs to be able to see. So what you're going to do is you're going to take one of your bigger pom-poms, and you're going to take one of your glue dots, and you're going to stick your eyeballs just like that. Then you're going to do the exact same thing for your second big pom-pom. And there you go. You have two googly eyes. Once you have your googly eyes, you are going to take another glue dot and stick it on the end of your toilet paper roll. And put your eye there so your dragon can see. All right, now our dragon needs to have two nostrils for his nose. So we're going to take two more glue dots. That's a total of 6 glue dots. And we're going to stick them on the other end of the toilet paper roll. Nostrils. But no dragon is complete without a little bit of fire. Okay, so we are going to take our glue stick and stick some glue on the ends of our strips. Now, if you would like a lot of fire, you can put a lot of glue, a lot of strips with glue on them. Or if you just want a little bit of fire, you can do whichever you like. So this fire is super hot because did you know that blue flames are the hottest flames? But you might choose to use red flames or yellow flames. And who knows, maybe even dragons do green or purple flames. We don't know. Dragons are up to our imagination. We are going to keep adding more flame. Flaming hot dragon. Yes! So, do you think we should wake up Otis and show him our dragon? Do you think it will scare him? Let's find out. Now, do you remember, how do we wake up Otis? We have to say, 1, 2, 3, wake up Otis. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, wake up, Otis! Oh, yeah. I'm ready. Wait a minute. You made the dragon without me? We did, Otis, but I wasn't asleep. I wasn't. Really? Yeah. Do you promise? No, I don't promise. Oh, Otis, I think that means you were asleep. Well, let me see your dragon. Where's your dragon? I don't see a dragon. There's a scary dragon. Yes, Otis, that's what we made. Oh, and look at it. Oh, I like it. Can I blow into? Okay, Otis, what are you doing? I want to blow into the dragon. I like it. I like this dragon. I think I'm going to keep him, and I'm going to name him. Ooh, what are you going to name him? Dragon. Okay, You're going to name him Dragon the Dragon.
Yeah, that sounds really good.
Okay. Well, I'm glad that you are enjoying Dragon the Dragon.
Yeah, and I want all my friends to come to the library and pick up a kit so they can make a dragon kit too.
Oh, that's a good idea. Thank you for inviting our friends. So if you want to make a dragon like Otis and I, come to the library and pick up your kit.
Yeah. And then next week we'll do this again.
It's true. We'll do another craft next week. So until then, we'll see you. Bye-bye.